I have no idea. It's got a bust on it that I don't recognize. I can see the rim of a ring. Wow, that is way smaller than a dime. Obviously, anybody would dig that, so. Garrett Vortex VX9. Okay, first the button. That's reading a high 89. Now the buffalo nickel. That's a straight 52. Now the silver dime. Yeah, that's gonna be an 81. And the wheat penny, the 77. All right, so let's go hit the beach and see what we can find. All right, I can see the rim of a ring right there. Oh yeah, that is definitely going to be a silver ring. Tiny little silver ring. Maybe it had a stone in there at one time. Oh right, this vortex, yeah, I'm going to keep it, and probably it's going to be my main metal detector from here on out. It's good. All right, this I have no idea what I'm doing with this new detector, but this sounds like it's running at 81, 82, so let's just see what it is. Usually they've been these rusty nails, so I don't know why they're coming out like, I think it's still in there. All right, I think I'm starting to get the hang of the tones. And this is pretty cool. It's like a little key and scuncheon, I think. That is pretty cool. Alright. Through research of this place, I know there used to be multiple wooden docks, not at the same time, but they just kept building it. And I bet this is a piece of that. I'm going to take that out. Yeah, that looks like part of an old cast iron stove, like the corner. I'm going to take that home. Alright, well I can identify a nickel signal. I don't know if you can see that right here. It's probably going to be a Jefferson, I bet. It looks too new. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of sea glass. Alright, so there's a couple of things I'm doing different this time. One, I got some headphones, and they're wireless, so that's nice not to have the wires here. Second thing is last time I was here, this is the second day, but the last time I was here, I was using the standard mode. This time I'm using coins, US coins, and with that I'm using a discrimination at about 18. And still, I'm a total novice with this machine and just trying to learn the ropes. And we'll see how this second day goes. All right, we got a really high repeating signal here. Move that big old rock out of the way. It's like quarter size, I think. Last time I had this high of a signal was that penny. All right, it's out. Alright, let's see. It's in there. Oh, it's a penny. Something about these green pennies, they ring high. And let's see, is it a modern? No, yeah. That's a memorial. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, so there is a very good sign. There's a ring and a loud 75. And that's what you want to see, because these lead weights, they sink to the bottom the same place that coins do. Alright, good sign. Loud 75 on the vortex. All right, the vortex picked that up. I don't know if you can see it, but that looks way smaller than a dime. And it looks silver anyway, so let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Wow, that is way smaller than a dime. What is that? We can't tell what that is. It's definitely a coin. Like, got a loop. This is way smaller than a dime. All right, this is a foreign coin of some type. Definitely silver, and I really can't make anything out. It's got a bust on it that looks foreign and some foreign writing. We'll have to identify that when we get home. All right, I'm sold on this vortex. Okay, well that's a first. Looks like a broken pair of scissors. Looks like a pair of hair cutting scissors. All right, doesn't blind here, so let's take it out. It was a good signal too. Okay, got a coin. That was ringing up a high 90 and small, so obviously anybody would dig that. So let's see how old it is. God, man, challenge just to get him out. Oh, that's a memorial. I think I got a little bale seal. Looks like there's like a little ship design on it. And the wire is still attached to it. So it's lead and heavy. So I'm pretty sure this is a bale seal. Sounded good. Alright, I was just digging out a big old nail. This thing. And in the scoop was this. That is a nice piece of sea glass. And that's got to be old. Man, that'd be cool just to get the whole thing. Probably a lid to something. Alright, we'll take it out. So, as soon as that clears up, let's see if we can get it. Alright, I think it's right there somewhere. Alright, I got it. Oh, it's a penny. It's gonna be a wheat. That's gonna be another wheat penny, I bet. Let's see. Yeah, another wheat penny. They ring up high. I always think they're gonna be silver coins, but I'll take a wheat. All right, I'm gonna do an ill-advised live dig here. This is a really high, small target. Let's see what it is. Hope it's not a nail. Still in there. It says it's deep, so that's good and bad. Good because it might be old. Bad because it takes forever to take it out. All right, I'm not hearing anymore. Whoa, what is that? That looks like it's probably going to be a modern quarter. And it is a modern quarter. Just found that wheat penny. All right, let's keep going. All right. I don't know if you could see it. It's right there. That could be an old Buffalo nickel. Ah, it's a Jefferson. All right, somewhere in that pile is a 52. Repeating, small target. Probably a nickel. So let's take a look at it. Should be right there. Nope. Right there. All right, that's got it. Not a nickel. Piece of lead. All right, let's keep going.